Everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In today's session, we will finish the exercise 11.3 with last three questions 8, 9 and 10. So let's see question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder here. You can see there is a cylinder given and its LSA is given as 4224 centimeters square. It is cut along its height. So this is the height of the cylinder here. And if it is cut from the center, right, along its height, and if you open it, what you are going to get? You are going to get a rectangular sheet, right? So if you have a can, just imagine and cut it. It is very important to visualize the figures in mensuration. So if you have a cold drink can, suppose, and you cut it from along its height, open it, what you will get? You will get a rectangular sheet. And when you do so, the LSA of this cylinder will be equal to the area of the rectangle. LSA of cylinder will be equal to the area of rectangle, because ultimately you are converting the same cylinder to the rectangular shape. And what is happening? Of width 33 centimeter, you have to calculate the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Now perimeter of the rectangular sheet will be what? P is equals to 2 into L plus B. That's the formula to calculate the perimeter of any rectangle. But here we have breadth, but we don't know the length. So first thing, we need to calculate the length. Now how to calculate the length? As I told you that LSA of cylinder will be equal to the area of rectangle, because you are converting the same cylinder to the rectangular sheet. Now what is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Area I said is 4224. Length you have to calculate, breadth is already given as 33. So length will be 4224 upon 33. Let's see, it is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. 1 carry 3 fours are 12, 0 is not divisible, put a 0, and 3 eights are 24. Let's see, it is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11. You are having here, then 11 twos are 22 and 11 eights are 88 centimeter. So now you have length, breadth is already given, and this you have to calculate. Therefore what can we write? The perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into how much is L? 128. How much is breadth? 33. So let's solve it. How much it will be? 8 plus 3 11. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 and 1, which gives you 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 322 centimeter. So this will be the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So here what we have converted a cylinder into a rectangular sheet. How? By cutting it along its height, and open it, you will get a rectangle. Whatever was the LSA of the cylinder will be equal to the area of the rectangle. Here breadth was given, so we can easily calculate the length of the cylinder with the area formula. And if you know length and breadth of the rectangle, it's easy to calculate the perimeter. Place the values, it comes out to be 322 centimeter. Let's see question number 9. Question number 9 is, a road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. So how many? 750 revolutions it is taking. Okay, you have to find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is how much? 84 centimeter, and the length of the road roller is given as 1 meter. So first thing, we have to see that the diameter is given in centimeter and the length is given in 1 meter. So if I want to convert it into meters, it becomes 8400 upon 100 means 0.84 meters. Now your diameter is also in meter and the length is also, which is basically height, is also in meters. So what will be the radius from here? Diameter upon 2, which means 0.84 upon 2, which gives you 0.42 meters. Now one thing, when the road roller, you have to just again imagine, when suppose this is your road roller, okay, and when it is taking a round on the road, what will happen? In one round, the distance covered by the road roller will be equal to the LSA, will be the CSA of the road roller. Again it will take another round, which will be equal to the CSA of the road roller. So I can say that in one round, when it is taking only one round, it will be equal to the CSA of the road roller. The distance covered will be the CSA of the road roller. So if I need to calculate the CSA of road roller, now it is in the circular shape and we know it is 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7, pi R we have just calculated in meters and H is 1. Now if you cancel it, it will be 0.6, right? So 0.06. Now if you multiply how much? 44 into say 6 upon 100. I am removing this decimal. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are, and this becomes 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, this becomes 25. You get 66 upon 25, right? Let it be, shall we solve it further? If we divide 66, how much? 25 to the 50, 6, 1. If I place a 0, you get this number. Now 6 times 6 5s are 30, 150, 0, 1, a decimal, 25 4s are 100. So you are getting 2.64 meters square. So this is the CSA of the road roller, but only in one round. How much distance will it cover when it will take complete round? So how we are going to do it? Let's do it here. This is the distance covered because this is the CSA of road roller. It means this much distance the road roller has covered in one round. But the total revolutions are how much? 750. So how much will be the total area covered? Let's see. Total area covered will be how much? If I multiply the distance covered in one round, 2.64 into 750. I will get the complete distance. Let's remove it. You will get 100, right? So let's see how much it will be. It will be if I solve it further. It is 2.64 into 750. Let's remove this decimal and get 100 here. I can cancel this 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. You get a 2 here. Makes 25. 5 5s are 25. Shall I cancel this 2 1s are? And 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So you are left with 132 into 15. Now 15 2s are 30. You get 3 carry over. 15 3s are 45 plus 3. 48, 4 carry over, 15 ones are 15 plus 4, 19. So this gives you 1980, right? So let's see, 1980 meters square. So this is the total distance the road roller has covered on the road. Distance covered first we have calculated in one round. Therefore for 750 revolutions we have multiplied the distance and we are getting 1980 meters square. So let's see the last question of this exercise, which is question number 10. A company packages its milk powder in a cylindrical container. So you see a figure here where the milk powder has been packed in a cylindrical shape container whose base diameter is given as 14 centimeter and the total height is given as 20 centimeter. Now what is happening when the company is placing the any label? You see this shaded part is the label where company has written the powdered milk. So the way the company is putting the label is leaving 2 centimeter space from top and bottom both. So what the company is doing, if this was the total height which was 20 centimeter, company is leaving 2 centimeter space here and 2 centimeter at the bottom. It means the level, जो level है, that is coming in how much distance? Out of 20 I have to subtract 2 plus 2 because 2 centimeter top से निकल गया and 2 centimeter from the bottom we have removed. So how much? 20 minus 4, it means this is the height of the label. And the diameter, so we can calculate the height of the label will be how much? Height of the label will be 20 minus 2 plus 2. Why we are subtracting 2 and 2? Because the total height of this container is 20 centimeter, but when the label was placed on the container, it left 2 centimeter distance at the top and 2 centimeter at the bottom. So it means height of label will be 20 minus 4, it means 16 centimeter. Diameter is how much? 14 centimeter, which implies the radius will be 14 upon 2 means 7 centimeter. Now what you have to do in this question, it says what is the area of the label. So it means it is only at the surround, right? Label you are just, it means we will only calculate the CSA of label. There is nothing which we need to calculate in the top and bottom. The label has to be at this sideways only. Therefore, we are calculating CSA. And the formula to calculate CSA is 2 pi RH. Let's place the value 22 by 7. R we have calculated as 7. Height is your 16 now. So this is important that you convert height to 16. Now this 7 and 7 is cancelled. 22 into 4 will be how much? 44 into 16. 16 fours are 64, a 6 carry over. 16 fours are 64 plus 6 gives you 70. So 704 centimeter square will be the CSA of the label which the milk company has placed in the center after leaving the space 2 centimeter from the top and bottom both sides. So this was the last question of exercise 11.3. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. I have cleared all the figures. Please watch my next video for the solution of exercise 11.4. Till then, take care and keep practicing maths. Bye everyone.